over, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Gabrielle wig from the Jon Renau line. This is part of their spring 2019 collection, and the color is Shaded Sun, otherwise known as 27T613S8. So this would probably be good like new mom hair, you know, it's no fuss, it'll hold its shape beautifully, it looks really convincing, and it's not gonna get in the way because it's so nice and short. But this is perfectly pretty and polished, looking for the right kind of person. It's a very standard short bob. Difference between this and Alicia is that Alicia is more like Ignite by Jon Renau. It's a little bit longer, particularly in the front, than this one is. It's a little shorter in the back. This is a very pretty cut though. The cap is a little tight on me. And so, let me show you the cap here. It does fit true to average. We have a pre-cut contoured transparent lace front with the full monofilament top. We also have fuzzy felt that goes all the way around the perimeter, and a little bit of silicone that covers the seam here. Also got stretch mesh here in the back. You can see it here in these sort of darker areas. Don't pull too hard. And then we have an extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters. Same spiel I say with every hand tie wig, don't pull too hard so it goes underneath the mesh, so that's hard to get out. And then we have felt here on the ear tabs, a little bit of metal to keep the wig in place. I'm gonna try shaking her a little bit upside down and see if that helps a little bit. And the color is one of my favorites. So again, this is the Gabrielle from Jon Renau's Spring 2019 collection, and the color is 27T613S8, also known as Shaded Sun. I'm Heather from CysterWigs. Thanks for checking us out. Hopefully you'll check out our store sometime, get a chance. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.